guys, welcome back. So for the eye portion, I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette using the dark pink shade, and I used the Morphe M506 brush, and I used that shade as my first transition color. Then I went in with the lighter pink shade, and I used that as to blend the two shades together, and I used the Morphe E17 brush. So I'm just going to diffuse the two shades together. And then I went in back with the first transition shade that I used, and I'm just going to deepen the crease just a little bit more. Then I went in with the juvia'a masquerade palette, and I used the shade Ada, and I used the Morphe E36 brush just to deepen the crease, the lower crease area. And I'm just going to blend all three shades together. Then to cut the crease, I used the e.l.f. camo concealer in the shade. And for my first lid color, I used the shade Ada, using that the same E36 brush, and I just applied that in the outer area. And then I went in with the pink shade just to blend the two shades together. And then I used the orange shade, and I used the flat smudge brush, and I applied that as my third lid shade. I got drunk off your demons, one sipping, I'm lovesick, built a home, turned to ruins. And for the last shade, I used the yellow color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I applied that in at the outer lid area, and I'm just going to diffuse that with the orange shade. And I went ahead and did the face portion off camera, and for my under eye area, I used the first pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I just diffused that under the tear duct. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh.